Hello, everyone. Welcome to my presentation on successes and failures of innovations for the Enablers Disablers P1 presentations. Today's date is November 17th, 2014. So the first of which I will speak about is the successful innovation of wearable health technology. We first seen the emergence of wearable devices in the 1960s and 70s. Some of the first innovators are MIT professor Edward Thorp, who actually developed a wearable device to allow people to cheat at roulette. In addition to that, that's when we also seen the beginnings of the calculator wristwatches. And from these kind of stemmed the emergence of other wearable devices in the early 2000s, like Project Cyborg, which is the implantation of nerve fibers so that people could control electronic wheelchairs. We also seen the emerge of wearable devices for running and physical activity, like the Garmin Forerunner wristwatch. Today, devices that we use, such as the Withings Pulse, are a little bit more sophisticated. They measure specifically metabolic activity, things such as heart rate, VO2 max or O2, oxygen consumption, movement, calories, and steps. There's also other devices that measure sleep and other different parameters. And we're currently moving forward and always adapting to this technology to make it better. Some current advantages to this technology is that it allows for physical monitoring of patients and monitoring of patient health status. Doctors and physicians worldwide are beginning to jump on board with wearable health technology to make it more adaptable in the clinic so that they can monitor their patients almost remotely. And what this does is it increases safety, and it also increases the ability for successful preventative medicine. So it actually allows, by being able to monitor your patient, you're actually able to stop an illness before it occurs because you're able to monitor their vitals outside of the clinic. And this also enhances the ability for networking between you and your patients. So what does the future hold for wearable health technology? Well, Juniper Research actually predicts that by 2018, the market will peak at $419 billion. That is insurmountable compared to where we're at 2 years ago with wearable health technology. So, and we have devices like the Withings Pulse, the Fitbit, the Nike, the Nike wearable device for running. It just, the possibilities for this are endless, and I think in the future what will happen is that larger entities will control the market. So some of the failed innovations I found were QR codes. What do? They hold information. You can create them on your own, that's great, but people don't really know what they do and why we use them. So in terms of the future of QR codes, they're not really innovative. There's no application for it, and there's really no need for it. So with that, I leave you with those ideas and thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please leave me any questions and comments. I'd be happy to answer them via our Moodle site. Thank you.